Habitat loss and fragmentation are two of the main drivers of biodiversity loss. They often occur at the same time. For example, if we imagine a road being built across a forest, the part of the forest where the road is built is lost, but also the remaining forest is now divided into different fragments. Habitat loss is known to have big negative impacts in biodiversity, but the effects of fragmentation are not so easy to identify. It has even been suggested that fragmentation by itself, without the effect of habitat loss, could have a negligible impact on biodiversity or even a positive one. Studies that have tried to look at the separate effects of habitat amount of fragmentation have often focused on species richness or species abundance. But in our research, we wanted to look into the effects of this in genetic diversity. So we looked at the Glanville Fritillary butterfly, which has a population in the Åland Islands. This species lives in small habitat patches or habitat fragments that are scattered within a wider landscape. We wanted to see if genetic diversity was different depending on the habitat amount and fragmentation of the surrounding landscape. We observed that, as we were expecting, genetic diversity was higher when there was more habitat available in this landscape. Fragmentation, however, had a more negligible effect. However, when the habitat amount was already very low, we did observe that fragmentation had a negative impact on genetic diversity. These results underline the importance of preserving habitat even if it's in very small fragments, because those still contribute to the overall habitat amount in the landscape, and thus they can contribute to genetic diversity.